Hey everybody, what's up and welcome back to today's video guys. And today I'll be showing you how to get started with using ChatGPT, the new hot website that everybody is using and talking about. So yeah guys, make sure to watch this video till the very end and follow my steps correctly so you can make sure you can do this yourself. But yeah guys, let's get straight into it. The first thing you have to do guys, go ahead over to google.com and search for the following term, same as me. Type in OpenAI ChatGPT. So guys, after typing in this, now you can see that the first result is the official website, which is openai.com, their blog website. So go ahead and click on this link right here, which will take you to this page right here where you can read about the ChatGPT that everybody is talking about. So guys, if you scroll down a bit, you can see here there is a black button right here called Try ChatGPT. So guys, let's go ahead and click on that. So guys, after clicking that, you can see now it's gonna making sure our connection is safe. If you get this error that it's busy, then just go ahead and reload the page until you wait a couple of minutes and then try and reload the page again. So guys, as you can see, after refreshing for a couple of times, now we'll be brought to this window where we will be able to either sign up or log into our OpenAI account. We do not have account, so go ahead and click on sign up. And after clicking on sign up guys, this will take you to this page where you'll be able to enter your email address, confirm your robot, enter your password, and after confirming your email guys, then you can go back to the website and now you have an account and you're ready to use ChatGPT. So guys, after doing that, let's go back to the OpenAI ChatGPT page. So guys, as you can see, after creating an account, now after clicking this button again, this will now open up this page which is ChatGPT. So yeah guys, now we can start using it. As you can see here, there are a couple examples of things that you can ask it, such as get any creative ideas or how you do make something in some programming language, so on and so on. So guys, let's go ahead and ask it this question right here. Explain quantum computing in simple terms. Guys, you can ask it anything you want. Go ahead and ask this. And after clicking enter guys, now this will give you a new answer, says as if you asked a person. It is very smart and is very cool to do, and you can ask it to tell you anything you want. So you guys, as you can see here, now it's giving us an answer. We're going to wait until it's finished, and as you can see here, now we can ask a question again. We can even ask it to program us something. Let's say how to make a Java code to make a rectangle. Java code, go ahead and click on that, and now guys, this will tell us how you make a rectangle in Java. It will give us the full code instruction. As you can see here, now it's giving us our code instruction, and as you can see guys, it's just very fantastic. You can go ahead and ask it anything you want, and that's how you use the program. So guys, thank you for watching. I hope this video was helpful. If it was, make sure to leave a like and subscribe to the channel. So guys, thank you for watching, take care and bye.